abusuafo ha mohwe oheneba media no nyina kwaba enen so adomadom ye da fofra ye ba betena se ne yedi nkomo ne ye busa nsem bi afa man Ghana eho amayosem kakra enisen yese de opa de akokotoko no ye nyina bro ye ni na bro enche yokra ena ye nyina yete se ampa the Ghana presidential race dodona file dodona de omkrata ko dodona yomti omu a ye papa ne ade nyina ono nso edimu akotene eye akwasi ade odike ye papa enemu no Fukumase na ye businessman na ono nso eyiniti omu a ye hwe no ma file bibia odene nkrata ko na nso de yete ye ne se ya disqualify no ekwa ben so aya nsami utiti bi se ya na ebi mu ayirem ebi mu ya na atwa so kakra se ye ben omo na ye ndi nkoma ne a special guest or about one-on-one akwasi ade odike for you na ne de no UPP na ene meka UPP abachi so san nyina ye behunu wa ha ye basisi a na afa na bedi nkomo meka wo sa asada kese enkoma Asada Shipping Limited Adabo Philippines, Miss Spare Parts, and Afe. Pidamos Fashion. So, Madama, and the region is a bring a request for Su, Babessia.
Safa in chance and papaya the board dance so padia and one adabo roofings and rusty and resist heat and a fay and fay diesel. Nicola bond material or the board dance unti or more 25-year guarantee a Emoa Richimu. Fred 0248 944 710 as I a WhatsApp number. Fred Adabo, Nen Womuni Iga.
Episode for Mamma, Aquaba, and MC Edge, Mosanisi, and Rono, and Ne, Yanni. Akwasi ade odike MP obi asane as incoming MP incoming president honorable incoming ono de metima kan isisu say his excellency yama wa kwaba eba Oheneba media so
ya nua
ya da wase no obre na wadaje
somo ya man ani Nyankopon
papa be sam official pa biom sansa ye ni hia ache
afen kometuye afisa sebra na omana akonenim na nyoma Ghana for hwe nyina no Onyame aye yakuma so ade amaye
papa be was so Oheneba media so first question be say Electoral Commission so Oma disqualify you. Were you satisfied? Are you satisfied? Oh, you okay?
Actually, na minim sesa na beba. Enti hama kuma bebrebe because the Electoral Commission on ampelefoni bi efrem ni din komo say there is a big hand our me party so. Enti mintutu manamu sisi ti nyima nyina pepepepe ko adu a Electoral Commission ni atomo so no eyentro no kreba kokora ni uma na abu omuslim emfamra kwan emfan hye a yele eko fale nomination enti maame no entro no trache ewiase ne Ghana fo nyina
two allegations now they are to just say they kind obi hinte o say big hand be aso party ni manase bi nse bi wo party ne so ana ni bi wo party ne so ena wasa case studio say o file obi bia pepepepe no mistake e wo document so ena wo yaba ye no we suko kakra ne yanko kakra ne ma wiase ne mo abokire ene poachi ehunu say ye papa ne ade nyina odike ni so ade na koma so ade no.
Yes, my very was serious me kasa chire Ghana for enema ekoso emwa ma we nkonanim aba we bae no na busuafo nko 50 ena obi makugu abem ena o memwa dododie nyina wode ahye na busuafo nsa o ka mama de se mama ali nyina himbo side ama Ibrahim yabu ebo ano so o kan se corruption o mama abemum ne ebo no so afi the economy ya kan ho asem maba omi akura ka say dollar kura de wachina to kg the IGP safa koma IGP afi corruption special prosecutor or the neighbor I'm here dealing with it afi excessive borrowing mama ajibo sanrodo etifo mama ekono na bosia yaje 70% to our GDP. Omampanyi ku 4 pension yeka ekodu 61% of the GDP no dey call EPEC. Since na Akufo-Addo ye na 76.7. Osi yanka say ti yakoka wansama osi yakaseti anaban. Ena odiska ene pick up koma Akufo bi omaja me party. Se o mfa me court. No me call boase court. Se court mfa injunction to me so. O ma me mfale en contest election. But na Akufo-Addo obaye no lawlessness akoso dodo. O ma no mu huyen adoso dodo. Me no ka say onu akobo pass Akufo bi enyiri msebe ya mentimi mfale. Na udiki ka no kure Ghana po. Na ni wure fini say ebra na mama ye niema ye ni nyen oto ne nsa frem se me meka no ni ntuma ama 2016 ni na ye campaign na me gitum ebo sha wo she me ba kokure no awaye me no kwa de ken ha me so obu o mani ye na niema ye to mama so no wa me ye bia enkanya hwe wa ye times 10 ye no ye ka che Ghana for say ekwa odi mama fa so ni Ghana no entwa yi timu bi enti ase ani mutaya ona appointee je mensa tumu hye na chi enu mo micro manager mo uko fale a two department your IT section and then the technical section has to do with signatures and the handwritings of the form mami wonu team and I'm inspecting we am say why okay to me call the next level which is IT acquire na me fam na say me call na metonka man tonka bi meti an so disqualify afari janta am call fale a eda no a u fit mami e person de ko kire ku fa no mu o mo so qualify woni mo ni eni kwa so qualify e could be almost 2 weeks e fale we no fa na response ma bonje ediminia eye adia no ma hyehyɛ sɛ o ma men contest election bi ne nye boni bia ebisi ne obi am frame sɛ wa ye boni bia di etiefo mu tie me wo ye MPP ni na wa brochira enye MPP asɛm ne ye ka ne sɛsie ye ka Akufo-Addo subam boni a o de sɛ Ghana ɛno ho asɛm ne ye ka edunya MPP ni na wo tie me wo ye wan wo yesu aba brochira obi yes ana bofu ehihye wo man yesi wutietie ni paso abo mu buga akopehwe de wo hwe no bi kokasa ade a wo ye ni tia wo man hihye ya wo mu na odikum waye jaka waye monster eno obetra Ghana so etinema motie no sanete
obi e bere wase na ye hwe em se nye wonko nipa mnan bi eka wo ho na o titi omo de ne no omo nso aye ya disqualify omo na ohwe a o hwe nipa ye jomo de etumu ani ade a wo expect senka wo no senka wo de wo fritra ebidie nso ebidie ya mo kwan ne so omo anko manim
enipa no ma yi free mu no ye parties a enka bi ma ban no ayare ga nka bi ma ban no but wo yenti a Akufo-Addo ma ni wo mu ni se office simfo no ebeto amahama it is ayaga compete a ayaga be reduce mahama chances e won off office papa kosindu party no awonani ne di animu sisi enti awona ho no also be reduce mahama chances mami yakwadonko no kasama John Mahama last election eno makotwe no a wo de super mahama mami kuradu adimai the poster ni Ashanti Region aba kokora on see ada also Rollins ene ni fi se Akufo-Addo bitima hawo mu ti Akufo-Addo we ni ya no mutwe koba ta no se ba ya boni Rollins di no emi bi atwa no Akufo-Addo beje mu omu sankofo me bubo di nyina no Kofi Apalu okasama Akufo-Addo Henry Lati okasama Akufo-Addo omu abubo di nyina ewo yentie obi awo mu na watoto odi o maniska kototo Land Cruiser achama omu nyina eno asamu obi a pickups 55 se omu enfamo ano na de omu ne se Akufo-Addo ne se ke election we oya de bia emfata Ghana for nyintum into a parody presidential candidates electoral disputes bi aba omunya meka beta nachi no maka bi say e free fair nti yeni ayen kasa mo anu de won fie kura.
Wonderful. What you have so with political mafia. Say dina aka ho no yesi we mafia. We mafia sembi na ekoso no. What you have so no kre. Na
ebi na ekoso na ewo yamanyo simu nketengete ba kufado de wa mana ye kakraka. Hwe mo prime minister mu koye. Na nipa 23 eko independent. Wo tieti amanfo fa ho die so saa. Wo hwe wa o se me penase mu nyini mfiri o. O ayi obejina kuma so wanti aso mo kan o say Canadian in interview no say wo mo ko independent ni nyina no no mo yankofo mo ambibi ma ontimi ni wo mo nya adwuma enu nti no mo bia wa yi wo mo afrim se no yi afoko ni kwabena Japan ni ades free mu no wo hwe ba bi o free ba na hwe ne ya is clear say papa no onye tolerant ana o say ganeska wajibu seche unim se Ghana busia bia baji bia no data bank and financial engineering and nyinua o Kanufuriata bank percentage busia bia baji bia no wo mo charge Ghana percentage sa percentage no e ko data bank ala ku fa do yesa wo bo man kro no suso wonu abusuafo adenti no yesa.
Okay, yeah, back to us. But after the disqualification, no, supporters, or party members, and yeah, they almost so then from and then what from then or catch them.
You know me na kasa. Na ye baby ye dey support beko. Ti ye to adwene. Na ade ba kwame ni agye wo disqualification money say a blessing in disguise.
Blessing in disguise.
Any power who sympathizing with me. I want to say a good father let it me found with you so. A very overwhelming. A mama nya confidence say meet me there accord the next election accord could to me.
And you must send straight say we and a tosso miensa na me see me you know babako a different party and sana UPP eba na ye miensa over 12 years right yen hwe when him crow at the sense and you see as I say we are confident now na obi oye businessman obi a what no man macha unim de ekobia na still ayebu abem na still we are confident no. What is the way forward for UPP?
We are coming together very strongly than ever before. Na yenimu ni ere. You go for the you can say by January you start a campaign. Now you start a month of which you Jojo a basa will say a fast aqua so befa. Now winning the catcher will neck for feed to say adibia boni na ni yemu empenufo akane na omonte masemase no eni mabunu no ene obi amekasa empenufo bebe radio station amekono mo edu mo fidie to and the feedback aminya che say me gave me grounds it many ajepa say na nakufado pese ogumani mu ase say makoda ne Davidia e makoda ne Jacob Joseph me baba jeme mindful enti me nya pete me very 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 confident.
For Akwasi Ade Odike, His Excellency say we are very confident na bemwe adebia say na yi mu no onenim ena onko achia ne mu yi na de eke nyina no say empempi we yetoso miensa ilimsa dombo but he is very strong na ye baba hwe say yanko ye chika we say na ne manifesto mu no na yetesan a na chitafo still omani age no more papa so mbedi na chi bra on fan political career ento we yanko hwetie ne manifesto kakra ansana ye disqualify no ne renew man na so be ya magana ye ba e be hu de be papa yamra ne hwe e de na wo magana before disqualification yi
lidika no ade a na me de ba ebi ma dane say Ghana constitution we no emwa emomano enkankono enwie mudie dina UPP yese ye ba constitutional review tunya dia ma omampanyin o ma wem na edoso ti aban bia ba o abisu no at the weakness of the entire citizenry ti yahu say me makosada me yes selfless na me pe me man yin me hu say the architectural structure of our constitution and only the base of our economic inequalities
to review by adwuma.
Oh sure.
Okay.
Na ya joma penyu tumi na won dodo na ama nipa e wo man na ya manya power to the people na umetima hold leaders na accountable. Sa constitutional amendment we ebeboa ma corruption akofom ebeboa ma ayene adwuma afi rule of law ebeye adwuma yi afi equality before the law ebeye adwuma yi culture of impunity ebefi omanum afi the gap between the half and the half not ebe bridge the gap ama Ghana for a feel a sense of belongingness Ghana for it will inculcate patriotism in Ghanaians ama tetewo ye communal spirit any odo an ye we man na be samba say you hu abane say on na bibia e won nsem but enya san also man for you feel say we own the country but now Rollins no a constitution to protect their interests ebra you free
autocratic regime
aba constitution no muso said the law will come after them and to mupa hipu omani mutumi na ma the executive arm of government no yeba ibesani na yedi abafo.
That is one powerful one. Memo de ba ko bia ka wansa na ya san ahwe bibifofo
ba ko a ebi ma da pa so an yeba ba yeye adia your friend security and over Ghana in security no atoape ti ye say ye the security me ye de beka educational curriculum no na ya mankola ni nyina sua security bambo personal security interpersonal security and the national security said the soldier for isua any police force and the bebe school no be a police ni soldier no be a discipline na omani hyehyeye no obia hu direction eko anyhow ukutia yonkofa ahudi so awde hu obi so betia awde so awde hu afi ukofo ka behwe bonkuru ni fa hu say who are those around you can read people's forehead and know what is within their mind ebema oman no ye bambo no we ekuta ne bambom putting together the national security. The Amunia dia Yababa Yama, then in Babia Woku school, a security conscious. Na Ubia Ati Bambo Asi, or maybe a soya bambo.
Wakasa we a selfless leader. In some you know what can mudu ye pa ye free Ghana PNDC base no bia institute sa nyoma wo de ebe wonyi ni say ya disqualify we beton idea yama omo di oman so
omonto because emlana atete apansam no if you are omunu mabusuafo ne omo cronies and they want it to remain so now more and benefit from it as against the national interest.
Obisu Busasi had disqualified so supporters Tawachi. We are patriotic people, or we should be patriotic people. Again, our culture of supporters in this come elections, some few days away.
The Americans are gonna funa and ya calm. Na yesterday, mom education, maybe I'm better more backo. If you know Korean, you be church the Nakufado was why in school.
Why free education?
I be about we be free education be slim. If you slim for enjoy, so free education pan Ghana for in there. Got things like Ghana cause and for in the Marco slim school. Because before the advent of Akufado's free education, now free education was slim. It is a minister the other from a bank slim school. And you know it tells you say Ghana for pursue develop in freedom. What if free education man would teach a man for this one? We won't feel the free education. We won't feel it. And the Kufa don't want Ghana in a chaotic situation. Now, why a monstrous dictator? Opeso bia ekoto ubia do the beck and call of a Kufa, which Yanana Yasantoa or Babesia, sorry, Asantofo Amade Dano, a Kufa, a Santimine, what Yesike Jananka, and now Opeso Kobianutum. And we won't sit down. No, we are not going to relent on our efforts to show himself. No, he can use some people and get whatever he wants, but he stands to lose many people lifetime.
The presidential candidate for UPP disqualification and I disqualify no, but ne enyan wo hineba one-on-one so a yene edin komo. Nisha Sedin command Sama Ebano Unsampa or they are to so a selfless leader no and a great to do. Young Koya Chika Crow can send be able to say Mukakra. O can say after the disqualification no Nipe be from a titibia from Unsampa African Abashi show me Yafin Abako and me. When Nipa from when a friend was and no, we dear Nami expect it, but for our friend no as more catch them with dear Masum. Mefa meyekum
oh there me to be me to forward the public, but me said me can me share me campaign to become the president as way back 2009 and the kind of reception I mean yano any nedia no actually me say I feel the amount for timasi sebi attitude for any woman can be ye inina eboma baso. Especially my education to Ghanaians about governance, economic issues, and how we can coexist without fear or favor. Now, Uyani Amuchra, but Yakudibuna, 1 month to election. Skani Kuruma, Abano Abobosia 140 billion. We don't see tangibles. And when in the bush of Fonkwana, I enjoy. Osha. Ghana CCA contractors in a Untreka and was that Ghana for say what is also above from Babra Kad out to Mintia. A 2 Futogu will do baby, maybe Yamamo, and 1 will try Ghana for. He is insincere and dishonest person. Okazo Betty 85 96 hospitals away. A wife. And Klonkwana Papa for will try Ghana for. And you move your pound.
It seems history is repeating itself. As I'm your phone na sana ya na dodona ebidia bro ebidia so de but omoka omontimini so omoka sadi no wan kasa what dwen ho say what popen so no be so of say issue na say efutu be na ma man for
Ozo busa me de metima ye no manfa nko even projects kra so me kire ne ma ya nya yentimi project bia it is about the country's transformation. It is not about hope a friend say false hope obema ni pam kran shebi are wabra enya no kra ni the issue is we need to build systems that works system ebema Ghana ni bia feel say we are part of the governance se no ni wa ye ko fabia siska nyina abre ya ebehye
MPP government by 4 years down the line, some few days away, less than 40 days. Now you go to Aba. Again, why you office and where do I add a kakra?
One district, one factory, a very laudable. As a year home, you one a bit tainted the fortunes of this country around. But a good man in Inko or pay lip service, waka, but the commitment about woman to and the ama factories, you know, setting costs springing up concurrently. Emma affected the lives of the people, no. It's not forthcoming.
Yes, I Greek sector. I say, more power hopper, so my yedma hopper, medianebu, and who say,
and you know, Ghana, a rainfall pattern is determined. A banya she, a blue near the soccer, and so Bakacha said blue, yet the export or bois. Adia abuane say bodia bibu. Bodia so nanka planting for food and jobs no. Or maybe I would say agriculture according. What be that? And no mwama yenye sufficient in food security and export. We can't. Also our export. And so there be a dollar cost. We can't balance our trade. And so there be also planting for food or the aduane be come working akwaje foreign currency ba. Kobusa sefabo. It's a lie. Kokura so a ebi a wanko cargo car bi konenam paga wo ba bi ko wure ma na apie. Wo ye exporter. I was saying nipa bebre na hu say indeed ye food export oboa.
Yenhwe nkasa emu no ka say wato nsa from crapping woni ne hia oboa na 2016 elections a lot. Yenhwe ye to abewie na wato nsa from sense ma wo ken wo obi a after nani aba wo so bitima aboa no a be kana memo ho beko
menko wase o man no ene ka ede no ye wo hipik mu anisa
inti be boa no na onsesa bibi
ede na me ko bon ontie. He's not a listening person or an agenda or the ban agenda and say or babe pescama on in a bush and four no baby iki ashantis ne dum be
Abisa from Komano Ayede wa Hineba Media so memory mfi so be subscribe no one share Facebook and YouTube mene akwasi ade odike presidential candidate for UPP Fufi Anto Atare who semete say disqualified but was say disqualify wa na nkyere say owie no no afi kura na more grace to his elbows afen wa hye no ya nanim kono abeko ne ye pa first one second third yehwe de wo yanim fourth na afi yebusa ne say Kumasi ena oye contractor or a businessman or investor. He does a lot. Ibu okura na okura wanted that. The only my odike pabwa the anukwa na unim but a lot to odike investment and na odike group memory fee. Na eneno ibusan say baby free baby otie Kumasi for. I say Dodona said Yabemu Buse ye pape wa try and you win ya on telefi man in cobium niade. But what the kaka so konenim on konechi safono edena odiki e kantre won.
Minu no bi anyina pintin. Mi fel makasi kese. Mi ku school wa dumai. My business ache. Na nsem mo so me sa ko ligon kotoa me no so kakra. Dia me kan ne se obi anyina pinti na achia ne mu ye esna bebu nyina da so ho mai ti obi anka na komanto yem na no kore na me kan Ghana no ebe so aba ma abenya no yakopon so dia ashes
ye bada sena no krakra no some few days to elections ye be sambo hobium football the ruling party before elections, during elections and after elections, any other contestants and answer omutie yo mo aboremu no any Ghana yasumdie any abatu abe free fair as a statesman then I'll catch you
ye make an say na Akufo-Addo oban omemu bambo nyina won ye dia shonsa se bibia to chema won ye be who be responsible entawantawa ekoso omemu run up to the elections no enye nika o mafia asem no o de ba edo man we be call ditch ide na Akufo-Addo me catch na won ne enye wadwe so betima mafia obia se wo betietia Ghana for esona wachinchim Ghana for nsa awene election no at all cost. Oh yes sir, I am telling you so no obusha for na target and sana Ghana say
you heard the main two political parties no more stronger. Omo makan na account there NDC MPP. As me bisa on one say insist Akufo-Addo. You heard ye mo mampanyida da John Dramani Mahama also will be able to catch no the two contenders no NSC to amofo to Akufo-Addo fane de ensoma no
your mama near futu bia or any campaign you follow no on threatening your man we but we the insecurity data force ne vigilantism for ne woman buga wahana woman ne Akufo-Addo camp the mama emfa buga bia ma ye de ni atofom a ye hwe enti do mama de wonya futu ekufo ado na ye de o manama no ono na wo control over security bibia to apen a woni bebusa
afei timamfo yenya den yakoto aba
ye ma eni na ho obi odi buga ba on pese be develop in freedom ye nyini senche na o man fa no to apemfra me da Ghana fo nyina ase
o da Ghana fo ase no uyu bia o hwe kan kropa asumdie e election sim
Dabi obi aka sasumdie wo mu a na oboa ena papa na odi anim no mim se pinche ena me de minim se papa me prophet of doom
but that's all boy hu kakra
me prophet of doom ena me war monger ba me catch Ghana for say enema a bobo ba ne de me mani hu no Ghana for obi anyina yie na bibia betimesi
December ya no okrom ha na o do betukwan
mewa e di konfuboni o si kro be bono o timbi the American no e ba affect me na me catch Ghana for say obi amenani na ho na onyina yie na said the elections and said the two abegu Ghana ha and said the piche koso no enye palata
Ari abusiafo yankomo no hanedi AC ayede na memma me papa his excellency ebia no wancha ba komie bi a obecha wancha sanse wiase nyina ehwe no ohene ba media so etiti ne ntini na ehwe
me chia wote kokko so kurura nana nyankwada nana wote se ebubuma na ye wa ne ye ko age o ma ne si wa ma fi se akukudura ye nana ya santo alum ede kunje o ma no ebi na abebo awura wona na akosi ade mu enye me ho ne teme ana se manso na mepe ye esisi nya de papa na machia me wife tina ya mi shira no chido mo obo me no me ni aso me da obias
party members ni hwe
UPP ma medical chair mo mi guso chair mo amo be ka ho ne course o menya ebra me ko abusua radio wie ye no me hu se Ghana for mo adwene ba me so obi anyina penti ne nyame wo yafa
nyame wo yafa UPP
eyemre
UPP
yemre ni
UPP
eyemre
abusiafo onso aje so ma media ha na edi komo na esibedin edi kwesi fosu madam ase e wo hineba media so hineba one on one ha na edi si ye papa ni ade nyina akwesi ade odike